guys, welcome to another edition of Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. I'm up here at Wall Lake, Iowa with Mr. Speed from Cookies Barbecue Sauce, and looks to me like somebody was on the smoker today.
You bet. I'll tell you what, this chicken jumped in the shed here, and so I chopped his head off and cleaned him. And this is my version of the beer can chicken. It's just a little nicer holder, and you just pour the beer around it. But what I do is I brine the chicken first in a little flavor enhancer, brown sugar, and water, and then throw him on the roaster here, and throw him in the smoker, 275, about 2.5 hours. And what you do is you want to get the breast meat up to about 170, 165, 170. Pull it off there, and it'll climb about 5 degrees. But it's nice and juicy and a happy chicken.
Well, that's the thing about if you got a pellet smoker or grill, these the beer can chicken or beer butt chicken, however you want to say it, that steam comes through and goes through the whole bird and keeps that moisture and building up, and it makes it a very flavorful and tender bird. And I don't know, I'm sure you use Cookies flavor enhancer on the.
Oh, well, what a guy, Dan.
I always do that on mine. You know, I'll rub it down really good, and boy, I tell you what, those things they're really nice, and it's an easy meal because you can put it on there. And I do mine at 250 with applewood. And did you just use regular?
I use hickory on this
hickory?
one. Sometimes I'll use hickory. Sometimes you use that competition blend. It's maple, hickory, and cherry.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and I'll use a blend like that. But either way, they taste pretty good. And then, you know, when you take it off there, needs to say it's got a nice flavor with the flavor enhancer already on them.
Yeah.
But it's mighty tasty. Use any one of our sauces. I like the Korean, the tangy mustard. Any of them really go good with it to make a happy chicken.
Absolutely. And he's there to make sure that everything's always done right, folks. So we're going to slice this up.
Yeah, I think so.
You got a knife over there?
Yeah, I got a knife over here.
Yeah,
I think we'll just throw it on a plate here.
Yeah, why don't you just slice a little piece off, and this thing's going to, the moisture is just going to just fall out of that bird. I mean,
You hold the can down there.
I got the can. You know, that chicken's looking a little plucky.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Yeah.
I'm sorry. That was kind of foul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a foul move.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
See this?
It just pulls apart. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh.
Boy, that's awesome. Boy, you talk about barbecue chicken sandwiches. There's so many things you can do with that. And then, folks, don't throw that carcass away.
Oh, no.
When you're done with that, you can put it in a crock pot. And I love, my wife actually does it. She makes a chicken and wild rice soup with that.
Oh, yeah.
With that smoky carcass.
Oh, you know,
that's
yeah,
awesome.
and also the breast out of here, if you want like a cream chicken sandwich, just dice it up and make a white sauce, and I'll tell you what, it's to die for.
All right. Oh, that's hot, hot, hot. Melts in your mouth. What's the cooking time on that?
No, about 2.5, 2 3/4 hours. If you have your smoker higher, and you say it takes less time, but I like keeping that 250, 275 range, because you notice how nice and juicy it is yet.
I mean, it's just running
And if you
out.
get it too high, it dries them out.
All right. Well, there you go. Smoked chicken done right with Cookies Barbecue Sauce. That's going to wrap it up for this week's Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. We'll see you next time. Boy, that's just amazingly tender. Look at that.